Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to send money on PayPal. You can easily send money on PayPal. Go ahead and open the PayPal application from your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are logged in the main homepage, tap on the Send Now button at the top of the screen under Send Money. You will then come across the list of your contacts. Type down the name of a contact or their username or even an email so that you can send them money. I'm just going to choose one of the contacts from the list. Confirm that this is the right person you are trying to send the money to and click on Continue. On the next page, specify the amount you want to send. Choose the currency if available. You can simply tap on the little drop down on the right corner and select your preferred currency you want to send the money on. After selecting the currency, enter the amount you are trying to send them and it will be converted on your selected currency rate. You can also add a message to the contact. You can send emojis, a note, simply type it down, and once you are done typing down all of the information, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner and follow through the steps. On the next page, you'll need to choose to pay with your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or credit and debit card. Check all the details including the amount and recipient, and then you will be able to send money to the chosen contact. Just remember that sending to friends and family within the same country is usually free, but international transactions or using a credit card may involve fees. And that is it. Your payment will be on its way. That's how you easily send money on PayPal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode.